Hey everyone! Congratulations! Yay! Woo! We've made it past 25 subscribers and I'm so excited. Can you tell? It's like all over my face. I'm so excited. So guess what? Since we have made it to 25 plus subscribers, we're gonna have a giveaway. Yay! So listen up, ladies. First of all, if you are a lady, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. I could not do this without you, and I'm so excited. I remember when I had 2 subscribers and I was like, it's gonna take forever, and we're already at 25, so thank you so much. And all of you who are visiting here, this might be the time that you would want to subscribe because I have a giveaway, and I want to tell you all about the giveaway that's coming up this week. I want to do it probably Friday and announce on Friday who the winners are. So here in this box I have a palette and some other makeup goodies that someone out there I'm sure would love to receive. It does say BoxyCharm on it, but I'm just reusing the box. Everything here is not from BoxyCharm, and BoxyCharm is not a part of this contest, and they cannot be held liable for any part of this contest. But I am reusing the box. I'm going to cover the BoxyCharm and mail it to one of you out there. So you want to make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. And because I had so much stuff, I didn't know I had so much stuff, there's another box here. So I'll tell you about that one in a moment. So welcome everybody. I hope that you're having a good day or a good evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. And if you see my face, I just did a video using the Jackie Ina collab with ABH palette. The bomb. Like, y'all see this? Wait, let me get you closer. I mean, I am loving this look. And do you know what I love the most about this look? It didn't take long at all. Not at all. Like the blending and nothing. It was like they were on and I was done. I was like, so this is how you know how eyeshadows are supposed to, you know, work on your eyes. I mean, I've had some very good formulas, especially from companies like Juvia's, ColourPop. They're pretty good. But this, whoo, this was awesome. So if you missed that video, just go out, tap on that one, watch that one, and then come back, and then you find out about the giveaway. So this is my first official giveaway, and there are a million rules on here that I'm supposed to tell you all. So most of it is going to be down in the description box, but the main things are that this is my own personal giveaway, and BoxyCharm, YouTube are not part of this. I'm doing this all on my own. All of the products are either products that I've purchased or products that I've received from Ipsy or BoxyCharm that I am that were in my my giveaways, and they're not open, swatched, or used at all. So they're all brand new products. So they're not held. This is all me, right? God bless me, so I'm blessing you. All right. So I needed to get that out there. And so if you would like to be a part of the giveaway, you will have to put a comment on this video down in the comment section. You need to first of all be a subscriber and make sure you hit that bell, and then down in the comment section I need you to comment about what types of things you like about this channel, or some suggestions or tips about what you would like to see in the future on this channel. And that's it. That's all I'm going to be looking for. I'm going to make sure that each person who is in the giveaway is an official subscriber to our channel, and if so, then, and your name is pulled, then yes, you right there, the one who's like me, yeah, you right there, your name is pulled, yeah, I'm gonna send it to you. I'm gonna send it to you. That's it. So I'm getting ready to turn in for the evening, but this look was just beautiful and I didn't want to waste it, and I said, let me go ahead and do everything now. As a matter of fact, before I say goodnight, let's see, I think we had another subscriber yesterday, so it's more than 25. So let me look and see. I believe we are at 26 subscribers. I'm so thankful. So now, before you go, remember I told you there's 2 2 boxes. So this box will be for $25 and this box is for $35. We're already almost there because we're at 26. So that means we only need 9 more. So if we get 9 more tomorrow, then this box will go out next. But this is the box, and I want you to know that I packed it with lots of goodies in there that I hope that you enjoy, and I hope that you're the winner. Yeah, you the one with your hand up and your name is pulled out. Yeah, yes, you. And I hope that you all have a great day, a great evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. Have a good celebration. Have a good celebration because we're at 25. Yay! Now, don't forget to pray, you all. And don't forget to slay. Bye, Slaydies. Nobody told me I was gonna have to get up the celebration stuff, sprinkles. What do you call this? Confetti. Nobody told me I had to get it up by myself. Good night, Slaydies.